Texas. Texas is a place I dearly love to be. With all my exes live in Texas, and that's why I hang my hat in Tennessee. All my exes live in Texas, and Texas is a place I dearly love to